Well, here we are in what is a very picturesque Nagambie in Victoria. So it's the last night of my week-long demo tour. It's been pretty good, I think. Very difficult to tell with these things because I deal with government bodies and councils, etc. It's not a matter of just handing over the money. They have to justify everything that they spend. So yeah, we'll see. It's always very positive, but got to get the dollars. Anyway, we'll see how we go. I haven't got my mic with me on this trip, so I'm using the phone, so it looks a little weird, but anyway, it should do the job. I'll just do a little bit of a walk around. You can see it's a very pretty place. It's on the water, and it's actually, for any racing fans out there, the birthplace of Black Caviar, very famous racehorse in Australia. Lots of Group 1 winners, and the sort of horse that if you're into the game, you would love even a tiny share because it must have made millions. So I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll do some research. I'll flash it up on the screen. Anyway, I'm off to go and have a beer. I'm going to put all this together as a video for the trip and get it out there. And I will see you in the next one. See you later.